So my name is Alex Bradberry, and I'm founder of the Sparkle Bar, a makeup and beauty studio that's based in the heart of Scottsdale in Old Town. We have been open now for almost 5 years. We turned 5 in September. I, as a woman and a woman of color, had found it challenging to find places where I could go and get my makeup done and know that I was going to get exactly what I wanted, or even that they would have the products for me. I'd experienced that too many times walking into department stores where maybe representation wasn't a thing, or I didn't necessarily see someone who looked like me. So here what we get to do is really celebrate diversity in beauty. We also have expanded to include virtual services, which allow us to now meet you in your home. So now babes from all over the world, not just in Scottsdale and Arizona, can experience what it's like to have that one-on-one interaction and that really authentic introduction to your next makeup experience, both here and everywhere now.
So I found this place because I really wanted a place where, again, I could do that. I could just be creative and expressive and really kind of help women kind of unlock that inner J-Lo, or that like glamazon.
When it came to deciding a place to open and create our flagship location, Scottsdale really was at the top of the list because of everything that you have going on here, and just the collection of beautiful, unique, quaint, niche businesses that make us very special and unique. When people choose to shop small and support their local businesses, it means that more of your money is staying in the community. It's just been a really amazing and incredible to see and feel the love and support of the community. We are so excited to welcome guests back here at the studio, and cleanliness and hygiene has always been our #1 priority and level of concern. So what you can expect to see when you come for your next visit is just that and some. We've certainly put in place additional measures requiring that you sign off on whether you've been out of town or experiencing any symptoms. So just additional requirements and care that we're taking to ensure that we are being safe, right? Because that is everyone's biggest and #1 concern. I anticipate that we'll continue to grow and share the sparkle and continue reminding babes from all over the world and country that the sparkle in us recognize the sparkle in you.
This is my favorite moment when doing someone's makeup. Are you ready? This is what I get. So you show them the mirror and then they do this. The hair flip is when you know you've done it. It's good. It is good. She is stamped. We are approved.